Hey guys, this is Tanya. I teach CBSE Class 10 Maths and my sister Tina Lopez would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Today we are going to be learning Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.2 4th question. Alright, now let's read the question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points bracket minus 3 comma 10 close the bracket and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Okay guys, so now let us draw a line segment. Why? Because then only we can understand. Okay, so one second. So this is a line segment. Okay, alright. So if I just draw a line segment, we have to name it, isn't it? So now let's name this line segment. So since this is a line segment, I'm going to name it as A and here I'm going to name it as B. Okay, alright. So here according to the question, we have 3 points, isn't it? So first of all, the first point, let us write it here, that is minus 3 comma 10, and the B, let us take it as 6 comma minus 8. Okay, so these are the points which is divided by minus 1 comma 6. What is the meaning of divided by minus 1 comma 6? So here this line segment is there, no? So when we just divide it, so if I just put a point like this, then it is what is the meaning of it? It is dividing into 2 equal parts, isn't it? That is the meaning of dividing. So it is divided by minus 1 comma 6. So let us take it as point P. So the value is minus 1 comma 6. Okay. So we are supposed to find the ratio. Why? Because since you guys know, if we want to apply section formula, we want the M1 and M2 value, isn't it? So here what I'm going to do is, since I don't know the M1 value and M2 value, we are going to take it as M1 as, I'm going to take M1 as K and M2 as 1. Okay, why am I taking it like that? So in maths, if you just don't know a ratio in this lesson, okay, in this particular lesson, don't get confused with other lessons. Okay, so in this particular lesson, if we don't know the ratio, we can just take it as K and 1. So here this point, it is divided in the ratio, that is K is to 1. Okay, so we just took K and 1. Okay guys, so here now I just took M1 as K and M2 as 1. Okay, so what about x1, x2 value? So here, since I have A as minus 3 comma 10 and here since I have B as 6 comma minus A. Okay, since I have like this, no, I'm going to take this as x1 and this one as y1 and this one as x2 and this one is y2. Okay, so now we can actually apply the section formula. Okay guys, so what is the p value? So the p value is minus 1 comma 6. Okay, so here we are supposed to find the ratio, isn't it? Why? Because we are supposed, according to the question, we are supposed to find the ratio, but we took that, let it be k is to 1. So we have to find the value for k as well. So now let us apply section formula. So since you guys know section formula is p x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and then comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1, this is y. Okay, so y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the section formula. Okay, alright, so now we can substitute the values. So since you guys know, here it is, this is my x1 and this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. Okay, so here we can substitute the values for p. So p bracket minus 1 comma 6 and then is equal to m1 value is k, we just took it as k, into x2 value is it is 6 and then plus m2 value is 1, so 1 into x1 value is minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2, so k plus 1 and comma m1 value is k and then into y2 value is minus 8, so minus 8, and then plus m2 value is 1, and then into y1 value is 10 divided by m1 value is k plus m2 value is 1. Alright, okay, so now what we can do is we can actually multiply them. So p minus 1 comma 6 as it is equal to 6 into k is 6k, and then here 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. So minus and plus is minus, so minus 3 divided by k plus 1, and comma when we just multiply we will get minus 8k, and then plus 1 into 10 is 10 divided by k plus 1. So guys, since I have something like this, no, what I am going to do is, so here I have minus 1 comma 6, right? So I am going to write minus 1 is equal to this value, and 6 is equal to this value. How means now you will understand. Okay, so minus 1 is equal to, so I just did like this, right? So 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1, and here, and 6 is equal to minus 8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1. Alright, so now I am going to cross multiply them. I am going to cross multiply these values. Okay guys, so now let us cross multiply them. Okay, so before that let me just write the value as it is. Minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1, and then 6 is equal to minus 8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1. So when we just do cross multiply, we'll get so we'll get minus k, and then we'll get minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3, and so when we just multiply we'll get 6k plus, so 6 into k is 6k, 1 into 6 is 6, okay, and then is equal to minus 8 plus 10. Okay, so we'll get something like this. So now what we can do is, now we can actually solve this. Okay, so now I'm gonna get all the variables to this side. So here it will become minus 6k is equal to minus a. When I get it to this side, changes into plus 1. So minus and minus is plus. So 6k plus k is 7k. Here since the greatest number is 6, that has minus sign, write it as it is equal to, plus and minus is minus. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So here the greatest number is 3, so it has minus sign as it is. Okay, so now we can write k is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 7. Cancel the minus. So now we got the k value, that is 2 by 7. Similarly, we can solve here as well, and so 6k, let us get this minus 8 to this side, changes into plus 8k, and is equal to 10. When this comes to this side, it changes into minus 6. Alright, so 6k plus 8k is 14k. 6 plus 8 is 14, right? So write the 14 as it is, and we have k, write the k as it is. So 10 minus 6 is 4, and then k is equal to 4 divided by 14. So 4 divided by 14, we can cancel it in 2 table, isn't it? So let us cancel it in 2 table. So 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. So k is equal to 2 by 7. So since we got the k value, that is 2 by 7, it is literally easy to find the ratio, isn't it? So now let's come to the first part. So here we took k is to 1, isn't it? So k is to 1 means, in another word we can say k divided by 1, isn't it? This is how we write. So if I have like for example, if I have 3 divided by 4, how can you write it in ratio form? How means you can just write it as 3 is to 4. You can actually write it like this, isn't it? So here since it is in k is to 1, we can write k divided by 1. So here we got k, that value was is equal to, we got it as 2 divided by 7, isn't it? So we got something like this. So we got 2 divided by 7 for k value, and let's write divided by 1. Okay, alright. So now what we can do is, Okay guys, so here we have something like this, isn't it? So no need to care about the 1, so we can write 2 divided by 7. So 2 divided by 7, if you write it in ratio form, it will be 2:1. Sorry, 2:7. Here we have 7, right? So this is going to be your answer. Okay, so finally we found the ratio, that is 2:7. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.